Welcome in on this Tuesday. I'm China Haley in for Tom Warbeck. As leaders from Mexico, Canada, and the United States put the final touches on a revised trade deal, automakers are praising the pact. Ford and General Motors both hailing the new USMCA-Canada agreement as good for the industry. The trade deal would replace the 26-year-old North American Free Trade Agreement. GM saying, quote, "We view the agreement as vital to the success of the North American auto industry and have long supported efforts to modernize it in a way that strengthens the industry and positions it to be a global leader." And in a statement, Ford saying, quote, "It allows the U.S. auto industry to be globally competitive, encourages U.S. research and development in this new era of mobility, and provides a framework for good-paying U.S. jobs." The leaders from the three countries agreed to a new trade deal in 2018, but it has been stalled for months because of negotiations between Democrats and the Trump administration. House Democrats plan a vote next week on the revised deal. Ford and Microsoft have teamed up for a research project aimed at making commutes smoother. And they say advanced computing may be the key to help end rush hour gridlock. Under current technology, when a driver uses a navigation system, it handles that request in a vacuum, giving each driver the best route available at the moment. That can lead many drivers headed down the same road. In their simulation, Ford and Microsoft looked at what would happen if as many as 5,000 vehicles requested routes at the same time in Seattle, and then were assigned directions based on what was fastest for everyone. The result? A 73% improvement in total congestion and a reduction of commute time by an average of 8%.
It will help reduce congestion in cities where congestion is a big problem. At the same time, it will help individual drivers to improve their commute times, especially in the rush hour.
The project is being highlighted at a quantum computing conference this week in San Jose, California. And Ford says it will do a simulation of it at CES in Las Vegas in January. Also making news today, WooChoong has died at the age of 83. He was the founder of the defunct Daewoo Group, a South Korean conglomerate that dropped out of the U.S. market in 2002. WooChoong died Monday after battling a chronic illness. You can read more on his life at autonews.com. Japan's markets watchdog is recommending that Nissan be fined as much as $22 million. This over the underreporting of compensation for former chairman Carlos Ghosn. Japan's Securities and Exchange Surveillance Commission says the fine would cover 4 financial years from April 2014 to March of 2018. Ghosn was arrested in Tokyo last year for alleged financial misconduct. In a statement, Nissan saying it takes the recommendation very seriously and it does not intend to dispute the facts or the penalty. And that's it for this edition of the newscast. Have a good one. We'll see you back here tomorrow.